Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce. My name is Sabta Pratama, NPM 22312061. Here I will discuss PC assembly. PC assembly is the process of assembling and integrating various computer hardware components, such as the motherboard, processor, graphics card, RAM, and storage, to form a functioning computer system. This process involves selecting the appropriate components, installing them into the casing, and connecting them properly, creating a PC that meets a user's specific needs, whether for work, entertainment, or other computing tools. The following are some of the main components of a PC and their explanation. One, motherboard function as the main control center that connects other components. Example: the motherboard hosts the processor, RAM, graphics card, and storage device. It provides a communication path between components and unities, all hardware elements. Two, processor, CPU, central processing unit, function performs primary processing and coordinates computing tasks. Explanation: the CPU is the brain of the computer system. All data processing, calculation, and command execution tasks are performed by the CPU. 3. RAM, random access memory. Function stores data that is being used by the CPU to provide fast access. Explanation: RAM is temporary and is used to speed up data access by the CPU. The larger the RAM capacity, the more data that can be accessed quickly. 4. Graphic card function handles graphic processing and supports visual display on the monitor. Explanation: this dedicated GPU is used to improve graphics performance, essential for games, graphic design, and applications that require high graphics processing. 5. Storage function stores the operating system, programs, and data. Explanation: traditional hard drive (HDD) or solid state drive (SSD) are used as storage. SSD has faster access speed than HDD. 6. Power supply unit function provides electrical power for all components in the PC. Explanation: the PCU converts electric current from the electrical power source into power according to the needs of other components in the PC. 7. Caching function provides structure and protection for all internal components. Explanation: the cache accommodates the entire system, provides cooling, and provides access for components such as the motherboard, PCU, and storage. 8. Cooling system function cools component temperature, especially CPU and GPU. Explanation: the cooling system includes a fan and CPU cooler to prevent overheating and maintain optimal performance. 9. Peripheral device function adds functionality and input-output capabilities. Explanation includes keyboards, mouse, monitor, printer, and other devices connected to a PC to interact with the user. 10. Chipset motherboards function manage communication between the CPU, RAM, and other devices on the motherboard. Explanation: the chipset support motherboard function and ensures compatibility between components. These are some of the main components in a PC assembly that work together to form a complete high-performance computer system. Thank you. That's all I can say. Sorry if there are mistakes. I'll end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.